Alright, hey guys, and today's video is just going to be basically telling you guys if you can make some money as a small YouTuber. And it may seem like when you're starting YouTube, no one's watching your channel, and you're like, oh my gosh, like, no one's watching my channel, like, I can't do anything. And can I make some money off of this? And a lot of people go into YouTube for the money, and if you're for that, you might not want to consider YouTube because YouTube is not for the money. YouTube, if you get famous, yes, you can get some money, but when you first start YouTube, you're not gonna make that much money at all. I'm gonna get in depth with it over maybe the next few videos and really explain to you what is going on with the YouTube, small streaming and stuff. So let's get right into it right now. I'm gonna be giving you a few steps into making your YouTube channel, start earning some profits, and kind of explaining to you what I've been through. And I'm a small YouTuber right now. I only have 125 subscribers, and at the time of this video I have 125, but like I've been on YouTube for a while and I just haven't really gotten that boost to get that next amount of subscribers. I haven't really gained anything for a while. And so I just wanted to make this video just to clarify a bunch of things here. And this is going to be 2018. And in 2018, earlier this year, YouTube launched a new thing. And it was like January 16th, we were making all small YouTubers, basically they can't monetize their videos, which means, you know, you can't put ads on your videos, you can't make any ad profit, and stuff like that. I only made, before the update, I was getting like maybe 50 views a video. It was not that much, you know, and I made over 100 videos $10. And I was like, okay, well, that's pretty cool. But the thing is, now I can't do anything. Even now, I'm getting, you know, 500, 1,000 views. I'm not really gaining any money, and it's just really frustrating for these small YouTubers, and I think that YouTube needs to do something about it. But anyway, the rules that they did were you have to have overall 4,000 watch hours on your channel in 1 year. Like the previous 12 months, you have to have 4,000 watch hours. And then you have to have 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers isn't as hard, actually, I think, as the 4,000 watch hours. Like, my most popular video has, right at the moment, 1,000 views. And it's like not that many watch hours. It's like maybe 8 or 9. So you can think 4,000 is a lot more than what it used to be, which is like, I think what it used to be is all you had to do is like verify your email or something and do a few steps, and then boom, you get monetized. And you know, you don't get as much, but you still can get like a few cents. I mean, if you really want a few cents. But yeah, so the second step is, what you gotta do is you really have to, I know this isn't a video to get more views, but what you want to do on YouTube is really choose what works. I had a gaming channel, and I mean, I'm still currently in the process of switching over to something new, because I want to do more real life stuff, more real life things, because it seems to be making my channel go better. And what the thing is, like, I had a gaming video, and I did a 4-hour broadcast, and I got 38 views. I'll show these pictures to you later and stuff in the video. And then I did, you know, opening a dinosaur egg. Took me 5 minutes, and then took me about an hour to edit. 4 hours versus an hour and 5 minutes. And I have 1,000 views on that, on the unboxing, and then I have 38 on the gaming, and I'm like, well, and then all my real life stuff adds up to be around 2,500 views, maybe, something like that, just a rough estimate, before I started deleting stuff, my gaming stuff, and putting stuff in private mode, not really deleting it, just to see what's really working out. And I looked at everything, and I was like, wow, I have like 10 real life videos, about 90 gaming videos, and the 90 gaming videos maybe have 3,000 views. But there's 90 gaming videos, and then 10 real life videos have 2,000. So like 2005 or whatever, and I'm just like, well, that's a much better ratio, like for video to views. And I was like, well, let's just switch over to real life right now and then see how it goes. So that's what I'm currently in the process of doing. But anyway, right now we're gonna be going to my computer in just a second for step 3. So basically a recap so far. Step 1, if you're going to be in it for the money, don't get into it. It's not going to work. Just take that out of your mind. Just take that out of your mind. Like, you're not going to be able to do it. Step 2, do what works for your channel. And that is the next step to becoming, getting more profits on YouTube. And see, I was just looking at my analytics just like right before here, and I was like, I could have made $40 off this video if 1,000 people watched it, because it was like playbacks and it was just looking at the stuff, and I was like, but they're not, but they're not watching it. And then I go to my other thing, and I was like, I would have around that much money right now for my unboxing videos, but obviously the unboxing videos cost way more money. I mean, if you ever been to a store, you know how much money stuff costs, and that cost way more money to do unboxing stuff, but I would have $40 and get another thing, and then continue my channel and just grow. But now, since the YouTube has taken out all the stuff, like taken out the monetization and stuff, that for the small YouTubers, it's not really working. It's gonna really kind of hurt the growth of some channels that really need it to start growing into. This video is not about renting on YouTube. It is about, can you, as a small YouTuber, actually make money on YouTube? And the answer is yes, but don't expect to make a lot of money. That is where people start just used to, people put ads like every second and trying to get money, and that's not going to work. People are not going to like you. They're not going to subscribe to you. You're not going to get that big growth that you really want, and that's not what you want to do. So what you really want to do is grow your channel, get the subscribers, get those things going. And I'm going to be posting different videos in the next 4 steps. I'm going to be posting every single step in detail. And anyway, we're going to be going over this on my computer right now. I'm going to switch over to that, and I'm going to be starting to show you what I've made and what I could have made. So let's do that now.
Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm getting the thing I promised to show you, my analytics on my YouTube channel, showing you right here. And this is all of my analytics that I can see right here. And as you can see, my playback based CPM or whatever is $12. It's like about $12, and I only get 4 from that because I don't have enough views on my channel, and I'll come back to that later. But as you can see here, this is where my channel really peaked, and I was making like at least like the $4 I got, and where I was really posting videos and posting constantly, but I would only get 30 to 40 views. And then right here, I stopped doing YouTube, and I really quit because I was getting really annoyed, and it was honestly really frustrating just to do this. And then obviously down there I have nothing because YouTube stopped. YouTube stopped letting small YouTubers get money at all, any money. And as I'm coming down here after this loading finishes, you can see what I could have gotten if I could have gotten that 1,000 views on the video. So as you can see here, look, you got $20, $15, $4, $75, $8, $13, $15, $14. See some high number stuff, like $200 worth of, maybe not, but an estimate, like $200 worth of stuff. But I can't do that because of I'm just not getting enough views, and that's just really hard for a small YouTuber like me and thousands and thousands of other people just to put ads on their videos. It's just crazy to look at this and just see this is what I get, $1.57. Instead of getting that $20, I get 23 cents instead of the $57. And as you can see, you get no views. No views equals no money. So what these small YouTubers like you guys need to do is get those views, get those subscribers before you start worrying about money. Before you start worrying about money, try to get those subscribers in and try to get that fan base so that you can actually start making some money. And now over here, I'm going to go to my actual real what I got on YouTube after being on YouTube for 2 years. 2 years off YouTube. 2 years off YouTube, and you're going to be amazed of what I see. Of what you guys are going to see. It's going to be crazy. Look at this. $2.10. $2.10. That's it. That's all I've gotten off YouTube. And honestly, I don't think that's very fair. I've put in, look at this. 3 years. November 2015 to April 7th, 2018 is all of the revenue I've gotten. All of it. That is just unreasonable, and it's honestly really annoying. So what, can small YouTubers make money? Yes, they can. But it's just, you either get an amazing fan group that just wants to donate to your Patreon or some other organization that sends you the money, or that's basically it, because you can't do ads now and you can't do sponsorships yet. So basically, small YouTubers just need to focus on getting views and subscribers, and that is my advice to all you guys. Just get views, subscribers, and you'll be great. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give me a like, thumbs up if you enjoyed it, put a comment down below.